Hello, my name is Uria. I'm the inventor and founder from Concrete on the Roll. The brand is XSTONE. It exists since 2007. We produced in Germany, and it is actually a wallpaper and the veneer in the same. We are not here to talk about this. We're talking about your project from Kirkjam, Francis. I guess you are a carpenter around the world and have this project on the table and need a little bit help by application the new material. What company make the job good? You must become such a packet. And inside is a veneer for 3 square meter. You can apply this on the wall. Also, you can use it for furniture. First of all, check the package. Everything is fine. When nothing is damaged, open the package and be looking what is inside. So when you open the package, have a look that you see nothing is damaged. And then please look inside the cube. Everything what you need is in the cube. When you're working with the material, please give attention that you have minimum 20 degree. When it is colder, possible the material is not so flexible. You see here inside the material, all this is marks from the handmade and makes the pieces so unique. Check the background is clean. Before you apply the material. In detail. This is the sealer you used when everything is done for protect the surfaces. This package is the indoor glue. It's only zipped. You can have a look inside. It's like a white powder. It's totally easy to use. Put it in 2 liters cold water and mix it good. Wait 15 minutes and you can working with this. So in this little funny bag, you have inside the paste you need for the joints. And last but not least, we have here the fix kit. It's inside the collar when you must prepare some scratches what is after you make the job. When you install the material on the wall, that's actually totally easy. You put the glue on the wall and you roll it down like you make it with all the normal wallpapers around the world. Fix it with the hand, waiting 1 day that it's dry and the wallpaper is ready. How you connected the both piece to the joints, I show you a little bit later. So now we're looking for the installation on wood to produce furniture from the material. You see it is flexible like a veneer, like a stone veneer. When you're working with wood products, MDF or something else, you stick the material with a normal 3D PVA glue. Before you started, bring the material a bit in form that you have not so much offcuts. For this, you cut the material from the back side, and you see it goes really easy. So for glue and pressing, bring your PVA to the wood and put the pieces over. So you can press it with a normal wood press, but also you can put the pieces one over another and pressed it with weight over one night. It's a good connection. When the wood and the veneer is good connected, you can cut the corners really easily with a cutter knife. And you have a straight corner. So, when you cut the corners correct, it's not much work to connect them together. For protect the corners when you make the joints, taped it with a normal painter tape a little bit. This little blue funny bag have here on the corner, when you look exactly such a thing, you can open this easy. And that makes it much more easy for you to handle the paste. The paste have the same color like the pieces. And you can make it so proper on it and close the joints. You finish this, you moved out the material you not need. Peel off the tape so long the joint filler is wet. After 50 minutes, 20 minutes, the corners are dry. And when you like, you can scratch this softly, gently, a little bit. Okay, so I think it looks perfect now. In case of you have a little bit of problem and you scratch the material in the time you're working with it, it's also not a big deal. You scratched it a little bit, gently. And we have a fixed kit for you guys. It's easy. It's the original patina inside you used. You take it with a little spawn roller. After the material is dry, nothing has happened. It's the same color. The same you can do over the corners when you like, to nivelize the color a little bit so that nobody see anymore one joint. Now you can see what has happened when it's dry. I pushed it a little bit with a heating gun and you see the color come exactly to the same what is the basic. Right, last but not least, the project is ready. We seal everything. With a spum roller, the material one by one, it's enough material for 3 square meter, 30 feet, square feet. And after this, it's dry. In the first minute, the color fired a little bit, goes a little bit darker, but don't worry, no problem. When the material is dry, everything come back to the same color what the customer wants. Good. You need like a foil, like a slim plastic, whatever. What people can produce for you from advertising companies, and you can put it on it and you can use the spackle what we delivered for the corners is enough inside what you can use for this, and I will show you what you can do to make your project really individual so that the customer feel really good. So in this ways you can sparkle 3D effects, separate designs, whatever your customer like, you can do it. So guys, it's all for today. I hope it helps a little bit, bring your project to success. When you have some problems, any questions, please call us, send us an email. We appreciate it to help you. Hey guys, it's Uwe, it's me again. Nice to see you. Today I will show you a different product from XSTONE. We have in a moment a new product that's totally hip in Germany. It calls copper on the roll. And the other thing what we invent is a magnetic concrete. You can use it for many different installation in the retail shops. I can show you this here. Think about you have a price label. You can put it on, you can take it off, you put it to another place, no problem. Actually, this panel is an original panel from a big company. They are popular for sports shoes. They put inside metal and put shoes in the front. And so you can see it's also not damaged for your CNC and for your cutter machine. I think it's an amazing product and I hope we can show you this a little bit more in detail.